Hello metalheads, this is Main Freak here with a new unboxing video, and this time we go Swedish black metal. And yesterday I received this package from Century Media Records, and let's open it up and see what's inside. Again. So this one I have been waiting on for a long ass time to get to my Dark Bureau collection. Yeah, so we go new but still old as fuck. So today I received this one, Dark Bureau. And why did I say new but old? Is because that was the first one they ever released, and back in the days they released it on a CD and not on vinyl. So this is the limited transparent blue black maple vinyl, and it is the 30th anniversary edition. And also I have got this as well, signed by the band. Very nice. So why have I been waiting on this to get for my Dark Funeral collection? Some of you will maybe say that it got released some years ago on the Hammer Hearts Records, but when they released this one, Lord Ariman was reaching out for the metal community, saying they have released it without his concept or Dark Funeral's concepts. So of course I will honor his decision, and out of respect for Dark Funeral and Lord Ariman, I refuse to buy it. So I'm very happy that they finally got released it on Century Media. So this is an original release, I will say. So here it is, Dark Funeral. It got released yesterday, and I also received it yesterday, so that's fucking amazing indeed. So finally I got this in my collection. And another thing is I have a lot of records just standing waiting for me to take pictures of, but as I have said in some of the things, is I have been in a dark place in my life. But I will of course start making new pictures and post it to you guys on Instagram and Facebook. So you just have to bear over with me. I will get back to it, of course. So that was all for me this time. Cheers, have a fucking great Saturday.